Today, we're going on a journey of faith and history as we explore 10 iconic shrines, 5 from the Philippines and 5 from around the world, recognized for their deep cultural and historical importance. Part 1. Local Shrines. Number 1. Rizal Shrine in Calamba, Laguna. This is the birthplace of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, preserved by the NHCP. It's not just a home, it's a monument of our fight for freedom. Number 2. Barasuing Church in Malolos, Bulacan, recognized by the NHCP. This is where the first Philippine Republic was born in 1899, a shrine of democracy and revolution. Number 3. Mactan Shrine, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. This commemorates the heroism of Lapu-Lapu against Magellan, a place of pride for Cebuanos and Filipinos. Number 4. San Sebastian Basilica, Manila. The first all-steel church in Asia, declared a national historical landmark. It's a symbol of Filipino ingenuity and resilience. Number 5. EDSA Shrine, Quezon City. Built to honor the People Power Revolution of 1986. It's a spiritual and historical landmark wrapped in Filipino courage. Part 2. International Shrines. Number 1. Lourdes Shrine in France. Recognized globally, Lourdes is where millions go in hope and healing, a Marian site that touches even Filipino pilgrims. Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe, Mexico. This shrine is a massive symbol of faith for Latin America and many Filipino devotees visit here, especially OFWs. Number 3. St. Peter's Basilica, Vatican City. Spiritual heart of Catholicism, many Filipino pilgrims consider it a once-in-a-lifetime journey. Number 4. Fatima Shrine, Portugal, known for the apparitions of the Virgin Mary. It's a sacred site Filipinos admire and visit during Marian pilgrimages. Number 5. Church of Nativity, Bethlehem, Palestine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This marks the birthplace of Jesus. It's deeply respected by the Catholic Church, including Filipino pilgrims. Shrines aren't just places of worship, they're witnesses to our shared history, struggles, and faith. Thanks to the National Historical Commission of the Philippines for preserving our local gems.